This is a root chakra visualization meditation to release your fears. I invite you to begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Now close your eyes and take a deep, grounding breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to settle into stillness, connecting with the surface beneath you. Now bring your awareness to the base of your spine, where the root chakra is located. This is your center of safety, security, and stability. I invite you to close your eyes, and as you do, envision a warm, red glowing light at the base of your spine. Let this red light grow stronger and brighter, grounding you to the earth as it anchors you in this present moment. And as you focus on your root chakra, gently ask yourself, what scares me? What fears am I holding on to that no longer serve me? Now, without judgment and as a distant observer, allow any fears, anxieties, or insecurities come to the surface. And as they come to the surface, acknowledge them and simply give them space to exist. Now imagine a calm, flowing river in front of you, where the water glistens in the sunlight and moves steadily forward towards you, carrying with it whatever is placed into its stream. And as you visualize this flowing river, visualize each fear you've acknowledged as a tangible object. This can be a leaf, a pebble, a feather, or even a dark mist or color. And one by one, place these fears into the river. Now watch as the river carries them away, moving further and further downstream. Feel the weight of those fears lifting from your body as the current of the river takes them out of sight. The further they travel, the lighter and more grounded you feel. Trust that the river knows where to take them, which allows you to release them completely. As the river clears, return your focus to the warm red light at your root chakra. Feel its energy filling the space where those fears once lived. Now released, creating a foundation of stability and courage and trust. Repeat to yourself, either out loud or silently, I am safe. I am secure. I am grounded. I release my fears and I trust in my journey. I am safe. I am secure. I am grounded. I release my fears and I trust in my journey. I am safe. I am secure. I am grounded. I release my fears and I trust in my journey. When you feel ready, take a deep breath in, drawing in the energy of the earth, and exhale slowly, releasing any residue of lingering tension within the body. Now wiggle your fingers and toes and allow yourself to bring your awareness back to the present moment. And when you open your eyes, carry this sense of grounding and security with you throughout your day. May you continue to flow in favor, and so it is. Thank you for watching this visualization meditation sponsored by FavorFlowRestorative, where we unleash harmony, mind, body, and soul.